We are actually at the now closed down Warner Pacific Theater. Let me show you guys. I am actually standing right now at the back of the theater. This is it here. And yes, you might have heard me say Warner Pacific Theater. The name Warner is the original Warner's brothers. This was actually their first theater, or one of their first theaters. That was one of the original ones. And yeah, I am interested in going around and doing a small little walk around tour. Unfortunately, the theater is closed. There's no way to access it. But we can get a good look at the windows as well as the architect of the place. So let's check this out. Let's go ahead and give it a good little walk around. And hope that, because I am not paying for parking, hope that my shit doesn't get towed. So yeah, we are right here off of Hollywood Boulevard and Cahuenga. I can't pronounce that right. You can see the Capitol Records building over there. But yeah, this is a very old building. I'm going to put this on my YouTube and give some history about it. But at a certain point, this place was closed down as far as the theater goes because of water damage that happened because of a flooding in the basement of this theater. And since then, it has been the home of the radio towers for one of the local radio stations. I don't think they still use those same towers. They look pretty rusted. I'm not too sure though. Could be still operational. Who knows? But I will find out and put that in the comments or in the description. So let's see. Historic Hollywood. Now, one good thing about this place that I like is at night there is a truck called Benny Hibachi, and they set up right in front of the theater, and they actually have some really good food. Right now there's a different truck set up, which is a taco truck. As you can see, we're on the boulevard, right where the stars are. But yeah, this is the building here. So you can see it's closed to the point where it's blacked out. Yeah, but this right here is the theater, 6433 Hollywood Boulevard. Yeah, I wish it was open so that we could go in. I kind of want to get a better shot. Let me see. This right here is the theater. And yeah, this theater is said to be haunted. There's a lot of different old actors and actresses and even directors that would be haunting this place. Yeah, the door is locked. But yeah, honestly, yeah, I'm gonna put in the description about what people have seen, what has been captured. And I do believe that there's still security here, because there was one time I came here and there was someone that walked out of that door there. This place looks pretty good. Sammy's Gourmet. So yeah, just still gonna walk around and do a quick little walk around. We're actually about to pull up on the alley of the place, which is this right here. I don't know if there was a building here before that got torn down or what. But as you can see, that's the staircase there. Yeah, it's definitely something that used to be there. I don't know if it was a part of the structure or just separate, but wow, judging by the size of this building, it must be huge on the side. And then of course there's a basement, so jeez. This place looks good too. Alright, so let's keep walking around. That's where our car is parked back there. To be honest, the historic, like the buildings out here, are so historic that I would imagine that a lot of activity happens in more than just this building. Like, what, that Popeyes over there looks like a newsstand. I don't know. Definitely old though. Got the Roosevelt Hotel nearby. Where's this place? Oh, it's a coffee shop. Even that building looks hella old. You can see the Hollywood sign over there. I don't think you can see it that well. I think I can zoom. Nope. Well, this has been a nice little walk. I know in a few last videos I said that, you know, certain spots you want to walk back around just to kind of not tie yourself to that particular energy. In this case, I don't think it's a problem. You can see the Hollywood Pacific Theater, the name right up there. But yeah, it's definitely I feel like too big to walk back around. I don't think anything like that's gonna happen here. Different from the other place. You know, it was nighttime. They had like, you know, a weird energy to it. This place, you know, so many people surrounding it and passing it. I don't think that's a problem at all. Well, that was the walk around of the place. We're actually right here back at the parking lot. And like I said, if you guys see anything, if you guys saw anything that's not normal, maybe in the windows, let me know in the comments. It's nice out, honestly. Like 85 degrees right now. It's not bad. This is a nice little walk. Thank you guys for walking with me. And if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel. We're gonna be doing paranormal tours. And yeah, check out my TikTok and my YouTube, where I will be posting a lot more paranormal content. But like I always say, live for today. Don't let today live for you.